helping you find your happiness, finding the best, easy exercise to jumpstart your fitness routine. Today, we're talking about the absolute best exercise to kickstart your fitness journey. Whether you're coming back from a break or starting fresh, this proven method will help you build a sustainable fitness habit. The exercise I'm sharing with you today is walking. Now, before you click away thinking this is too simple, let me explain why walking is scientifically proven to be one of the most effective ways to begin your fitness transformation. Studies from the American Heart Association show that just 30 minutes of brisk walking per day can significantly improve cardiovascular health, boost metabolism, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. And here's something fascinating. Researchers at Stanford University found that walking increases creative output by an average of 60%. But it's not just about putting one foot in front of the other. Let me show you how to optimize your walking routine for maximum benefits. Start with a 10-minute walk around your neighborhood. Focus on maintaining good posture. Head up, shoulders back, and core engaged. As you build confidence, gradually increase your pace and duration. Here are some practical ways to incorporate more walking into your daily routine. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Park farther away from your destination. Get off the bus one stop early. Walk while talking on the phone. These small changes add up to significant results over time. The beauty of walking lies in its versatility. You can adjust the intensity by changing your speed, adding inclines, or incorporating intervals. Try this simple progression. Walk at a comfortable pace for 5 minutes, then speed up for 2 minutes. Return to your normal pace for 3 minutes, and repeat. This pattern helps build endurance without overwhelming your body. Research published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine reveals that walking groups have a 75% adherence rate, much higher than most exercise programs. This means you're more likely to stick with walking long-term, making it an ideal foundation for your fitness journey. Now, let's talk about tracking progress. While step counters are useful, focus on how you feel. Are you aware that you are less winded climbing stairs? Can you walk faster or longer than when you started? These real-world improvements matter more than numbers on a screen. One often overlooked aspect of walking is its impact on mental health. A study in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry found that regular walking can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression by up to 30%. The combination of rhythmic movement, fresh air, and natural light creates a powerful mood-enhancing effect that medications often struggle to match. Weather shouldn't be a barrier to your walking routine. With proper preparation, you can walk comfortably in most conditions. In cold weather, layer your clothing and protect your extremities. During hot weather, choose cooler times of day and stay hydrated. Indoor alternatives like shopping malls or indoor tracks can keep you moving when outdoor conditions are unsafe. Now, what about nutrition? While walking alone is beneficial, combining it with balanced eating habits amplifies your results. Stay hydrated and fuel your body with whole foods. This isn't about strict dieting, it's about supporting your new active lifestyle. For those concerned about time commitment, studies show that 3 10-minute walks provide similar benefits to one 30-minute session. This scheduling flexibility makes walking one of the easiest, most accessible forms of exercise available. As you progress, consider adding variety to your routine. Try nature trails, urban exploration, or walking meditation. Each variation brings you new and different challenges and keeps your practice fresh and engaging. Remember, consistency trumps intensity when starting your fitness journey. Walking provides the perfect balance of accessibility and effectiveness, setting you up for long-term success. Ready to take action? Start today with a 10-minute walk. Notice how you feel during and after. Pay attention to your surroundings, your breathing, and your body's response to movement. You truly can reach your fitness goals with consistent efforts. Start your walking journey today with your first steps towards success. Before you go, if you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from starting their fitness journey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more practical advice to help you find your happiness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.